Have you been looking for a house in the north? One that you can use as a blank canvas to turn into a home you can call your own? Then I have just the right unit for you here at Adora Green. Hi, I'm Janet from Urban Agents, and today I'm going to show you a 4-room DBSS corner unit that is along Yishun Avenue 11. Completed in 2013, this DBSS is just 7 years old and is located right smack in the middle of a ton of amenities and is surrounded by plenty of greenery. Come, let's head over to the unit to take a look. This 92 square meters unit has a squarish and regular layout with no odd angles or wasted space. It comes with one master ensuite bedroom, 2 common rooms, 1 common bathroom, a household shelter, a kitchen and a balcony. Right now, we are in the designated dining area according to the floor plan. As you can see, in this dining area, you can comfortably sit a 4-seater dining table. But if you want to maximize the space, you can have customized built-in benches with storage that can sit more people. Now, looking at this living space, there are many possibilities that you can do with this space. With its light neutral tones and minimal built-ins, you can easily turn this into a comfortable, cozy den for you and your family to hang out in, or something contemporary or modern. One of the great things about this place is that the floors are nicely tiled, so you can save work and money on redoing your floors. This wall is great for your flat screen TV or home theatre system, or even a projector TV, which is really popular these days. Over here on this side, you can place your L-shaped sofa with your coffee table. Over here, we have a good sized balcony, and what makes this balcony unique is that it is an enclosed balcony, so technically you can use this space for your study area or your kids' play area. Or you can use it as a typical balcony space by placing your coffee table and chairs for relaxation, and because it is enclosed, it is a great extension to your living room. Here we are at the kitchen. It comes with sliding panel doors to keep the smoke and oil out from the rest of the house. It also comes fitted out with top and bottom cabinets for ample storage. Here at the stove, there is a stainless steel backsplash for easy cleaning and maintenance. It really is a fully functional space. Over here on top, you also have a laundry rack that can be pulled down and pushed out. Are you ready to see the bedrooms? Right down this corridor, we have the household shelter that also doubles up as storage. There are 2 bedrooms in this unit. The first one is over here, which is directly opposite the common bathroom. In the common bathroom, it comes with shower screen doors to keep the bathroom dry, as well as a window for good ventilation. Over here, we have the second bedroom. Both common rooms come with enough space for a queen-size bed. They also come with parquet flooring that is just warm and inviting after a day of work or school. They also come with built-in cabinets from the developers. Let's head over to the master bedroom. Right now, we are in the master bedroom. It comes with built-in wardrobes from the developers that has 4 panels, so there's ample storage for your clothes. The floors are parquet flooring, and there's an ensuite master bathroom that comes with storage cabinets as well as shower screen doors. The project also comes with communal spaces and facilities like a children's playground, fitness and activity zones, and barbecue pits. For those who prefer lower floors and are looking for a great value for money DBSS home, this is definitely a place you should consider. Additionally, located in a mature estate like Yishun, it comes with a whole variety of all kinds of amenities and facilities that are within easy access for you and your family. Let's start with the project itself. It comes with a childcare centre, a mini-mart, salon, clinic and coffee shop within the premises. If you need more dining options, Yishun Park Hawker Centre is just 5 minutes walk away. And if you're wondering why this is called Yishun Park Hawker Centre, it's because it's right beside Yishun Park, where you have 14 hectares of lush greenery, playgrounds and jogging trails. Yishun Park is also where you can find Safra Yishun Clubhouse with a host of amenities including a bowling alley and a drive-through McDonald's. Just opposite that, you have Yishun Pond for more dates with Mother Nature, and just next to it, you will find Khoo Teck Puat Hospital. If you venture a bit further, you will arrive at North Point City with dining and retail options galore. It is also connected to the bus interchange and Yishun MRT station. There's also a regional library and community centre integrated here. There are also many schools nearby like Hua Min Primary, Chong Fu School, Xishan Primary, Northview Primary and Yishun Primary. These are just to name a few. To know more, call me today. I'm Janet from Urban Agents. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and I'll see you at my next exclusive listing.